Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're focusing on how to maintain and care for metal fences to keep them looking great and lasting for years. Let's get started. Metal fences, whether wrought iron, aluminum, or steel, are durable and stylish, but they still need regular maintenance to stay in top shape. Here's how to care for them step by step. First, start with cleaning. Regularly clean your fence with water and mild soap to remove dirt, dust, and debris. Use a soft cloth or sponge for general cleaning, and for tough spots, a brush with soft bristles works wonders. Next, keep an eye out for rust. Rust is the biggest enemy of metal fences. Check your fence regularly, especially in areas prone to moisture. If you spot rust, remove it with sandpaper or a wire brush. Once you've removed the rust, it's important to apply a rust inhibitor to protect the metal. For extra durability and to keep your fence looking fresh, repaint it every few years with a rust-resistant paint. Next, check for any loose screws, bolts, or posts. Over time, metal fences can shift or loosen, so tighten any hardware and make sure the posts are secure. This will help maintain your fence's structural integrity. And don't forget about landscaping. Trim back any plants, vines, or bushes growing too close to the fence. Moisture from plants can cause rust and accelerate wear on your metal fence. To keep your metal fence in top shape, clean it regularly. Remove rust, apply rust-resistant paint, tighten loose hardware, and trim nearby plants. With minimal effort, your fence will stay beautiful and durable for years. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Visit our playlist for more. Need professional help? Call us or visit our website. See you next time.